This pasta salad is a staple in my family, and I bet once you see how easy it is, it will be at yours too. The invention of the olive bar has made this salad so much easier than ever before, and so it is a must. All summer long, every picnic, every barbecue, promise. To get started, we're gonna get some water boiling to cook our pasta. While we wait for the water to come to a boil, we're gonna chop up celery, bell pepper, and then anything big that came out of the olive bar. My choices today were the marinated artichokes, sun-dried tomatoes, Kalamata olives, and the green olives. Green olives are a little chunky, so we're gonna chop those up. When the water is boiling, we're gonna pour in some pasta. I like to use something that's like a shell, because then it like actually cups some of the pickled things. And we're gonna cook that until it's just done, but not overdone, because we don't want it to be smushy, because then it becomes mushy in the salad, and that's gross. My family always puts salami in this too. That's totally up to you. You can use the pre-sliced, or I just like to buy some salami and chop it myself, because then I get nice big chunks of salami. Okay, when the pasta's done cooking, we're gonna drain it, and then we're gonna add the salad dressing to it. The Italian salad dressing here is critical. It soaks into the pasta while it's cooling, and then it gives it that good flavor that you're looking for in this pasta salad. When I was a kid, it was always the Berenstain 3-cheese Italian salad dressing. You can go old school and get that, or we don't do a lot of dairy now, so my new one is dairy-free. When the dressed pasta has cooled off, we're gonna add all of our chopped vegetables, salami, and the olive bar bits to pan and stir it together. And then we're gonna let it sit at least an hour, but ideally this rests overnight, because tomorrow, this is the best salad you've ever had. This pasta salad is a favorite in my family. It's at every potluck that we ever go to. It's at every family barbecue. I think your family is gonna love it too. Let me know, comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you back here next week.